goodness, how big the piglets have grown, huh, boys and girls? These guys are asleep. If Mom starts making her oinking sound, she's calling them to come. Come and drink milk. But they're all sleeping. She has her back away from her babies. She doesn't have to watch them like she used to. Here's the babies. They are about, month and a half. Look at Mom, she's trying to wake them up. Better get up and nurse now. Yeah, here they go.
So cute. Oh my god. I think she's a fall. She's gonna lie down, huh?
When they're first born, mother can kill a lot of them because she goes down.
Oh, because they get stuck under.
Yes, they don't know. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That has happened.
Oh my god. That's something else. That's something else.
She's hungry, boys and girls.
Yeah.
She's looking for Farmer John to come and feed her. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look how high she is. Big mama. Oh my goodness! She finally had her babies. There's her little ones. Look there. She has 3 different colors. Black, white, pink, or white, and brown. It's newborn piglets, boys and girls. She wants to be close to them, so she's facing them. You can hear their little oinks. Oh, somebody's moving. Let's take a closer look. What's going on in there, huh? There's Mom's snout right next to the babies. Most of them are black, aren't they? Good job, Mama. She's a proud mama. She loves her babies. Just by the way she is so close to them, boys and girls. This mother loves her babies. Mom's getting up.
Bacon and Bacon Jr. And that's biscuit and gravy. Biscuit and gravy.
This guy's playing. Look at them playing.
Hi, little babies.
No, mom is right there, so in case they are hungry, they can eat.
Oh, I like those.
Which one?
The
Oh, look, they're on top of them, you see? Look at them. They're brothers and sisters.